From legislative priorities and fiscal direction to technology-led transformation in agriculture and governance, from global AI collaborations to inclusive digital welfare initiatives. Here's a look at the key developments shaping Maharashtra this week. This is Maharashtra 360. The Maharashtra budget session is now underway with legislative deliberations extending through March. Chief Minister Fadnavis said the March 6 state budget will balance relief for citizens with fiscal discipline while incorporating the groundwork laid by the late Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. Deputy Chief Minister Sunetra Pawar reaffirmed the government's commitment to inclusive development and reflected on Ajit Pawar's legacy in state finances. Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde highlighted that key welfare initiatives like the Ladki Behan Yojana will continue. The 4-week session will run till the 25th of March and 15 bills are slated for introduction. Maharashtra has secured an additional 2,000 crore rupees in allocations from the union budget and will receive 98,306 crore rupees through tax devolution. Chief Minister Fadnavis inaugurated the AI for Agri 2026 Global Conference and Investor Summit, positioning Maharashtra as a national leader in AI-driven agriculture. Held under the state's 2025 to 2029 Agri-AI policy, the summit makes Maharashtra the first state to host a dedicated global Agri-AI conference. Deputy Chief Minister Sunetra Pawar was also present at the summit, reinforcing the government's push for technology-led rural transformation.
Technology must reach every single farmer. Our ambition is bold. Maharashtra will become the world's foremost use case capital for Agri-AI.
The state showcased its 500 crore rupee Agri-AI policy with over 30 lakh farmers already on board Mahavistar. Key launches included Maha Agri X under the Nanaji Deshmukh Krishi Sanjeevani project, a Bhili language LLM developed with Bhashini and One Step Foundation under Nandarbar administration, voice-based telephony access to non-smartphone users and an AI image-led pest and disease detection system. At the India AI Impact Summit 2026, Maharashtra expanded its AI partnerships and policy footprint. The state signed multiple strategic agreements aimed at strengthening AI-enabled governance, digital public systems and sovereign infrastructure. The Chief Minister also held high-level meetings with global leaders to advance cooperation in digital skilling and employment generation. Chief Minister Fadnavis launched the Kumbhdut app to provide guidance and assistance to devotees attending the upcoming Simhasht Kumbh Mela in Nashik. Maharashtra became the first state to collaborate with OpenAI and Rocket Learning to launch Shiksha Sathi, an AI tool designed to support lakhs of Anganwadi workers. Chief Minister Fadnavis, in the presence of the Deputy Chief Ministers Eknath Shinde and Sunetra Pawar, launched the integrated Divyang Sahayak portal and mobile application to streamline welfare delivery for persons with disabilities across Maharashtra. Developed by the Social Justice Department, the platform is designed to ensure transparent, timely and accessible implementation of schemes through a unified digital interface. The portal operates on a single window digital platform enabling online applications and real-time tracking of welfare schemes. Built on a business process re-engineering model, it simplifies approvals and service delivery. Direct benefit transfer is integrated with Aadhaar and UDID to eliminate duplication and prevent fraud. Chief Minister Fadnavis, along with the Deputy Chief Ministers Eknath Shinde and Sunetra Pawar, paid tributes to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj on his birth anniversary at Shivneri Fort in Pune. The leaders participated in various commemorative programs, including the traditional cradle ceremony, symbolizing the legendary king's birth and naming rituals. A large number of followers gathered at the historic fort to take part in the celebrations as the state marked Shiv Jayanti with reverence and pride. And those were all the updates we could pack for you in this edition of Maharashtra 360. Until next week, take care.